Hello dear students, today we are solving the AB statistics question paper and question number 3 I will be solving today. So, bath physics are mineral tablets that are dissolved and create bubbles when added to bath water. So, in order to increase the sales, Bath Physi company has produced a new line of bath physics that could have a cash prize in every bath physics. So a random variable is given, probability of a cash prize based on probability distribution. What happens here? Okay, so let's just do it. So it's a random variable. X is the dollar value of the cash prize of the bath fee. So the preparation of $1, this equals to P of X equal to $1 and 1 minus 0.2 0.05. So this is 0.68. First part done. The proportion of bath physics that contain at least 10. So probability of X greater than equal to $10. So this is 0.05, 0.05, 0.01, 0.01. These four. So 5, 5, 10, 12. Next, based on the probability of the X, the Physi 100 that contains and show your work. Okay. So in B part is they want probability of X $100 greater than X equal to 10. So 0.01 by 0.12, 1 by 12. This is the value. Next is based on the probability distribution of X, calculate and interpret in the expected value of the distribution of the cash prizes of bath physics. So you work. So in this case, expectation of X 1 into, so you just have to multiply 1 into 0.68. This is the probability value. So here it will be for C part 0.68 into 0.2, 10 into 0.5, 20 into 0.05, 50 into 0.01. So this will give you pre-calculated this, so 4.68. So the expected value is the mean of which the cash prizes and the result from the long run many trials of randomly selected physics and determining the amount of each contains. Last part in this question is the Physi bath company would like to sell the bath phrases in France, where the currency is in euros. Suppose that the conversion style is $1 to 0.89 euros, and part C expected number of show your work. So expected here 4.68 into 0.89. So this will go to 4.7 euros. And that's the end of this question.